Hey guys, it's Julie, and today I'm going to show you how to make an herb roasted vegetable and crispy chickpea dish that's action-packed with plant-based deliciousness. Now, one of the things that I love about this recipe is that it's so easy to make. You can actually make this entire recipe using just one bowl and one pan. I mean, how's that for easy cleanup? But despite its simplicity, you'll find that this dish doesn't disappoint in terms of its complex, beautiful flavor. And it's also packed with everyday superfoods like arugula, cauliflower, and chickpeas. While this recipe is a winner for virtually anyone, it can also be used to optimize fertility. And it's actually one of the many recipes I developed for a new project that I'm so excited to share with you called the Fertility Foods Cleanse. This 4-phase cleansing system was developed by two incredible physicians, Dr. Ashley Eskew and Dr. William Haas of ARUGULA, MD, both of whom are passionate about helping women overcome struggles with infertility through incorporating a better diet. I'm so honored to be partnering with these physicians on this cause and have created over 40 fabulous recipes for this cleanse. And the recipe that we're making today is one of them. You can find out more about the Fertility Foods Cleanse through the link right below this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. And as always, you can find the full recipe that we're making today at luminberry.com. And now let's make this rewarding dish. We'll begin by prepping some vegetables. We'll chop up some cauliflower into florets and add them to a large bowl. We'll also slice some fingerling potatoes. We especially love the multicolored varieties for their extra antioxidants. And add them into the bowl too. We'll trim away the ends of a large scallot, slice the bulb in half, peel away the skin, and add the halves to the other vegetables. We'll also add a few fresh thyme sprigs, as well as a rosemary sprig, which we'll cut into 4 pieces. And we'll drizzle this with some olive oil and season it with some salt and black pepper. We'll mix everything together very well. You can use a spoon here, but at this stage, your hands will really do the best job. And we'll spread everything out onto a sheet pan, corralling the mixture into 2/3 of the pan while leaving the last third empty. Now we'll rinse some cooked chickpeas and pat them dry with a couple towels. To the same mixing bowl we just used, we'll add the chickpeas, a little olive oil, and a pinch of salt. We'll mix these together and then spread them out onto the remaining third of the sheet pan that we just reserved. And with the oven heated at 425 degrees Fahrenheit, we'll begin to roast the ingredients. After 15 minutes, we'll remove the pan from the oven and give everything a toss, keeping the vegetables and chickpeas separate as much as possible at this stage, and return them to the oven. After another 15 minutes, we'll remove the pan and give everything a toss again. But this time, we'll mix the ingredients together and return the pan to the oven one last time. Once the cauliflower is lightly caramelized and the potatoes are tender, we'll put the pan onto a heat-safe surface and we'll discard the rosemary and thyme stems. We'll take half a lemon and zest it directly over the pan using a microplane or fine grater. And we'll squeeze the fresh juice over the top as well. We'll add some fresh baby arugula, some raisins, and season with a little extra salt, pepper, and a touch of finishing olive oil. And we'll give everything a final toss. We'll transfer everything to serving bowls, and this wildly flavorful yet deeply nourishing dish is ready to enjoy. Get the full recipe, cooking tips, and so much more at luminberry.com. Did you love this video? Give us a like and hit subscribe to get all the latest on cooking with superfoods.